how to win a dispute on Whop. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can win a dispute on Whop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to win a dispute on Whop, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Utilize Whop's dispute fighter tool. Use the dispute fighter feature to upload legal documents and customer purchase logs automatically. This tool simplifies the dispute process and increases your chances of success. Step 2. Gather comprehensive evidence. Collect detailed documentation to support your case, including user activity proof, screenshots or logs showing the customer's engagement with your product or service, terms of service and refund policy. Ensure these are accessible under your legal settings and available at the bottom of the checkout page. Step 3. Respond promptly and professionally. Use Whop's Resolution Center to address disputes quickly and communicate directly with the customer. Clarify issues and aim for resolution before escalation. Step 4. Implement preventative measures. Enable early dispute alerts. Use Whop's auto refund system to manage early dispute warnings proactively. Maintain clear communication. Provide transparent and responsive customer service to prevent disputes from arising. So that's how you can win a dispute on Whop. That's all for this video.